So did I really get my money's worth, or did I get a flop? Hey everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, sometimes Tradesy, The RealReal, and a few other platforms. But for the most part, Poshmark and eBay. So for those who are not new to my channel, welcome back. It has been over a month and so much has happened and I am so sorry. And I always say I'm gonna get better, but now, like for real, I'm gonna get better and I'm gonna tell you why. So, you may know that I'm a reserve flight attendant, which means I'm pretty much, on the days that I'm on duty, I'm on call 24 hours a day. Well, I just found out a few hours ago, I am not gonna be on reserve in November. So I already know my schedule. I may switch one trip for another trip or a trade or drop or whatever, but I have control over my schedule. I know where I'm going to be. I will have more free time. Even if I leave the schedule that they gave me as is, I have 19 days off next month. And I got Thanksgiving off, which is unheard of for a junior flight attendant. So I am so excited. Yeah, so I will have more time to plan the videos, to post content, and I have quite a few. I have some unboxings I'm going to be doing. I have some top 5, some bolos, or be on the lookout. If there's any other subject you'd like for me to cover, please comment below. Also, please pardon the mess. I've actually been away it seems like I've been away and then I come back and I'm working and then I'm away again. So first we went away for my brother-in-law's wedding in Egypt. It was so much fun. They have been waiting to get married since before COVID, and I'm so happy that everything came out. It turned out beautifully. They were glowing. It was so much fun. If you've never been to an Egyptian wedding, I highly suggest that you train for the Egyptian wedding. I think you should eat more protein, perhaps start working out 3 days a week, just to have enough energy to keep up. It was definitely a lot of dancing, but it was so awesome. So happy for them. And then we just got back from visiting family in Atlanta. So that was very relaxing, even though it was just a short trip. So here I am, I come back and I have this small ThredUP box. So I decided to take a chance on the Coach box. So this is a Coach box unboxing. It was $100 for this box, and the box is supposed to contain 5 Coach items, 4 Coach bags, and 1 accessory. So I am hoping, because not all Coach is good Coach. I hate to break it to you, but not all Coach is good Coach. So did I really get my money's worth, or did I get a flop? Let's see. Okay, so that wasn't too hard to open. Oh, and this one came. Wow. The ones on the bottom had better be better than the 2 on the top, because the 2 on the top I can't sell. I can't sell. I can just look at this and this is, okay, this is the accessory. This is the accessory. Look how dirty. Look how dirty that is. Are you serious? Wow. Look at the dirt. There is no, yeah, no. Oh. Now look at this one. First of all, I don't know if you can, look at all the stains. Look at the stains. I mean, at one point this was a decent bag because it's very heavy. But look at the stains. Look at this. Oh, the interior is stained. This is crazy. Wow, I am very surprised. And not in a good way. This is... All right, this one... Okay, this one has redemption. Those two, I can't sell. So if there's 5 for 100, so that's $40 that I just lost. So I hope I at least make it up with this one. All right, so the bottom... All right, so let me show you this one. This one is good. Okay. This is a tote. In good condition, no wear on the bottom. So there's... Wait a minute, is this... No, this is not broken. This is... Okay, good. I'm like, oh my God. So, all right, so it can either be held this way, or this goes into this little area right here, and then it can be held this way. Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna look up comps on this one because this one seems good. It also has a pocket on the outside. The lining seems to be very clean. The interior is very clean. So I wonder, I don't know, maybe this is Coach Factory. I wonder if there's a way, I know there's got to be a way to see if this is real. I mean, would ThredUP give me a fake Coach bag? Do you think, okay, if you have gotten any Coach from ThredUP, can you comment below whether or not you received an authentic one or a fake one? Because, I mean, this looks good, but I'm just wondering, I mean, it's in really good condition, so. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this one's cute. This one is really cute. Okay, so here, it's got a stain there. I'll see if I can try to get it out. That's really unfortunate. But this is a cute one. I like this. Yeah. And I don't know, like, the models of these. And even the little Coach tag is the white and green. I like this one a lot. The bottom is in good condition. The handles are good. Let's see the inside. Ah, the inside is good. I like the inside. The inside is clean. Look at that. Isn't that cute? All right, I like this one. I just really feel like they set the mood with the top two looking horrible. And this, hold on. So now we got 1, 2, 3, and now I'm doing my last bag. And I'm looking at it, and I don't want to look at it. I literally don't want to look at it right now. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's okay. All right, so it's a tote, the big C, but there's some like wear down here. Some of the metal has been scratched. The bottom doesn't look bad, but there is some wear in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, totes are definitely in style. There is a little bit of wear also like on the top. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm going to have to look up the comps. The inside is purple, which is interesting. I mean, it's clean-ish. It's not terribly dirty, but there is some staining. I mean, from the outside, it looks okay. Like, you have to get really, like, up close and personal to see any of the damage. But, so this one's okay. Not fantastic. So yeah. I don't know what to think. So this one actually is in the best condition. It's pretty much like, I don't see any damage at all on this. No flaws, no marks. Inside looks pretty clean. So I think this one is the best one. Well, let's make sure it zips. Yes, it does. All right, so this one is the best one. I'm gonna look this one up. And this is what I think I'm going to do. I get about, I would say I'm averaging about 400 to 600 views per video. But I only have 160 subscribers. So there's so many of you out there that haven't subscribed. So this is what I'm going to do. I am not going to list this one. I am going to give this one away once I reach 200 subscribers. That's only 40 more. That's only 40 more. So once I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to come back to this video and I'm going to pick a winner. And you need to like this video. You need to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on this video. And then there is actually a program that will, if once I put the link for this video in there, it pops up with the winning comment. And whoever shows up will win. But I will make sure that they are a subscriber and that they've liked and commented on this video. And I will do that once I reach 200 subscribers. So I'm only 40 subscribers away from 200. And this will be mailed to whoever leaves that winning comment. So take a look. I'm in the giving mood today. I think this would be a very nice giveaway. So good luck. Hopefully I get 200, maybe even more. Who knows? Who knows? But back to the the box. I've seen someone else's unboxing and I thought that they had a good one. I am not feeling this one. I actually am probably gonna write them because this right here is like insulting. This is so dirty. I cannot even, this one is so stained. And the sad thing about this one is that it's so heavy. It's such a cute bag. I love the strap. I love all the hardware. Maybe I could just sell the strap separately, but it's just, I'm very disappointed. Well, you win some, you lose some. Okay, so I think the verdict is I really don't like this box too much. I think that's what it boils down to right now. So, yeah. Okay, well, if you're thrifting, happy thrifting, and if you are traveling, fly safe. Bye.